Okay, Morris Minor 1000. Found out it's been called Doris. And as you can see, we've removed the rear wings. And found further corrosion. We have started making some plates up, as you can see here, to reinforce the inner wing. And we have actually ordered a complete new panel that fits all the way around there, which the rear wing bolts onto. So we can cut out all that corroded section, weld in a nice new section. And we found another few little holes down here which had been plated before, but the plate wasn't taken far enough, so it just corroded around it. We've removed the rear doors, so we've got a bit more room to work. We just go around the other side. And obviously we've removed this rear door and the rear wing, and as you can see, we have holes up underneath here, holes in this plate here, and corrosion around that wheel arch section. And on further grinding, we've noticed that this chassis section is completely rotted away. So we've managed to get a new section, which we're just waiting on. And then we can get that all welded up in place. Another few little holes. And as you can see, we've started making our plate for this side, giving us a flange there for this new section to weld onto.